when we go somewhere, it's a little bit quieter than it is in our heads, than it is in our heads. Ever since I met you, I've been a little bit wilder, but that goes unsaid, but that goes unsaid. Won't you run away? I know you're not happy in the place that you stay, so take my hand. We'll run away from monsters and mayhem, 'cause I am an expert at saving. It's how I save myself. Don't you know how much your eyes light up with stars? Don't you know that you're my lighthouse when it gets dark? Don't you know how much you make me smile? You say you're not worth much, but I think you're worth much more than my while. Won't you run away? I know you're not happy in the place that you stay, so take my hand. We'll run away from monsters and mayhem, 'cause I am an expert at saving. It's how I save myself. It's how I save myself. And it's hard sometimes knowing that you're so far away. I wanna wrap you in my arms and tell you everything's gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Oh, we're gonna be okay. Gonna be okay. Take my hand. We'll run away from monsters and mayhem, 'cause I am an expert at saving. It's how I save myself. Won't you run away with me? Pack up my summer in a Ziploc bag. Old maps and tchotchkes, photographs of this and that. I'll write myself a letter so that I'll remember all. What if I don't hold on to this red string? Can't retrace my old steps, the songs I used to sing. If the birds all eat my breadcrumbs, how will I know who I was? Call me the sentimental type, nostalgic, but I have to prove that I was here. What if I forget that I was here? I can't forget that I was here. I was here. Boxes on boxes you'd call worthless stuff, but I get a glow each time I go open it up. If memory's a treasure, I'm trying to be a billionaire. I fear I'd fall apart to lose the things that form my heart, that prove that I was here. What if I forget that I was here? I can't forget that I was here. I was here. Ooh. Someday all the people that I love will move on. Someday all the places that I love will be gone. Someday